Hi everyone, welcome back to Embellishment Crafts. So today I thought I would quickly share with you a new binding method I'm about to try. Well, it's not so much a new method of binding as in a new method of decorating my binding. So what I've done so far is I have made my fabric cover and I have put the eyelets in and I'm binding with elastic again, but this time I want to try a little method that I saw on Line Arrow. Natalie, she threaded some buttons onto her elastics and I thought that would look quite cool. So I thought we'd give that a try today. So what I've done is I've threaded my elastics through already, so they're already on the inside, and I've managed to do it so that I've just got the two ends then that they'll just poke out through the bottom, so I can tighten them then from the bottom, and then I can pull them out individually and work on them then like here, like this. I do apologise, I've got slight hiccups, I can't seem to get rid of them, so I'm just going to work through it. So what I've done is I've threaded a large binding needle onto my elastic, and yes, I did use my my thread threader because I couldn't get that straight through there. And I'm just going to try now and thread some buttons on. So if you want to have a go and craft along, go and grab some buttons. The idea I'm thinking of today is that obviously I want them to stand it against the fabric. So I have picked a few different ones. Whether or not they will look right, you know, up against the fabric, I'm not sure yet. But I think it's a case of try it and see. So let's give it a go, shall we? Okay. Okay, so after much tussling and tightening, there we are. That's our buttons now on our spine, and we're all ready for our signatures. There we go. Okay, thanks for joining me today and watching my quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a like and a thumbs up. And next time you tune in, you will see me do a full flip through of the botanical journal. Okay, now take care. Bye.